हाय गाइस, क्या हाल चाल? सब बढ़िया? तो देखो, इस क्लास में हम लोग देखने वाला है यूनिट 5 प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट। तो एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्लास होने वाला है, तो वीडियो को अच्छे से समझ लो, लिख लिख के प्रैक्टिस करो और एग्जाम में किल कर दो। आ रहा है बात समझ में? तो चलो फिर क्लास चालू करते हैं। तो देखो, इंट्रोडक्शन टू एडवर्टाइजमेंट प्रिपरेशन। क्या है ये? एन एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज अ मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन used to inform, persuade, or influence consumers about products, services, or ideas. Preparing an advertisement requires careful planning, creativity, and an understanding of consumer psychology. तो तुम अपने टारगेट कस्टमर्स को कैसे बताएगा अपने प्रोडक्ट, सर्विसेज और आइडिया के बारे में? थ्रू एडवर्टाइजमेंट। तो ये क्या है? इट इज अ मीन्स ऑफ communication where we informed our consumers about our products, services, or ideas. Advertisement requires careful planning, creativity, and an understanding of consumer psychology. तो आ रहा है बात समझ में? तो पहला देखो क्या है? Definition of copy. Advertising copy refers to the written content of an advertisement. It includes headlines, slogans, body text, and call to action statements. A well-crafted copy effectively conveys the message and attracts potential consumers. आगे देखो, theme of advertising copy. The theme of advertisement copy is the central idea or concept around which the advertisement is designed. It should be clear and concise, easy to understand. Next, relevant, related to the target audience needs. Next, engaging, captures attention and interest. Next, emotional appeal, evokes emotions to create a lasting impact. Example देखो, a toothpaste ad may use the theme healthy teeth, confident smile to highlight the benefits. Next है essential of an advertisement copy. तो एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट कॉपी के अंदर क्या क्या चीजें जरूरी है होना? A good advertisement copy should have the following essentials. तो क्या है पहला? Attention grabbing headline, the first thing that catches the reader's eye. Next, persuasive content must convince the reader to take action. Next, simplicity and clarity should be easy to understand. Next, emotional appeal connects with the audience feelings. Next, call to action encourages customers to buy or engage. Next, credibility should provide reliable and truthful information. Next, memorability must leave a lasting impression on consumers. Example देखो, an advertisement for a fitness product may use the call to action like join now and get fit today. तो ये सब है advertisement copy के अंदर essentials जो कि होना चाहिए. Next, size of advertisement copy. The size of an advertisement depends on various factors such as budget, target audience, and advertising medium. Common sizes include small size ads for newspapers and social media posts. Next, medium size ads for magazines and online banners. Next, large size ads for billboards and TV commercials. A full page newspaper ad for a new car launch would be a large sized ad. Next, features of a good advertisement copy. तो पहला है clarity and brevity, short and to the point. Next, creativity, innovative ideas that attract attention. Next, customer centric, focus on the benefits for the consumer. Appealing design, visually attractive. Next, relevance, matches the needs and interest of the audience. Next, call to action, encourages immediate response. Next, classification of layout. ये क्या है? A layout of an advertisement refers to how various elements are arranged visually. It can be classified as formal layout. इसमें क्या होता है? Organized and balanced design, often used for professional advertisements. Next, informal layout, creative and asystematical design used for artistic aids. Next, Mondrian layout uses geometric patterns and grids for a structured look. Next, picture layout dominated by images with minimal text. Next, copy heavy layout, text-based ads ideal for detailed product descriptions. Next, frame layout uses borders or frames to highlight the messages. A real estate ad may use a picture layout to showcase properties visually. Next, elements of advertisement layout. A well-designed advertisement layout includes the following elements. तो पहला क्या है? Headline, the most prominent text that grabs attention. Next, illustration or images, pictures that supports the message. Next, body copy, the main text providing details. Next, slogan, a catchy phrase that reinforces the brand. Next, logo and brand name ensures brand recognition. Next, call to action encourages customers to act immediately. White space ensures readability by avoiding clutter. Example, a smartphone ad may include headlines like next gen performance in your hands. Image, a high resolution picture of the phone. Body copy, details about features and pricing. Call to action, order now and get 2000 ऑफ. तो ये क्या है? ये एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट लेआउट. तो ये था अपना यूनिट 5 प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट. तो इस टॉपिक से तुम्हारा एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं छूटना चाहिए. इस क्लास को बढ़िया समझ लो, हो सके तो लिख के प्रैक्टिस करो और एग्जाम में जाके किल कर दो. आ रहा है बात समझ में? तो चलो अभी के लिए इतना ही रखता है. बाय बाय.